eToro crypto wallet pricing explained what you get for your money. Most people get this wrong. They assume eToro crypto wallet is only for buying crypto. The surprising truth is, it's a fully featured wallet that lets you store, send and manage your digital assets while keeping costs transparent. Using eToro crypto wallet is free for storage. There are no monthly or annual fees just to hold your crypto. Sending crypto does incur network fees, which depend on the blockchain being used. The wallet shows these fees clearly before you confirm any transaction, so you're never caught off guard. Buying crypto through the wallet includes a small spread, usually around 0.75% for major coins, and optional conversion fees if you're exchanging between currencies. These fees are competitive compared to other wallets, and eToro sometimes offers promotions or reduced fees for higher volume users. Security is a key highlight. eToro crypto wallet uses advanced encryption to protect your private keys, offers two-factor authentication, and allows biometric access for mobile users. You remain fully in control of your assets while enjoying one of the most secure mobile wallets available. In conclusion, eToro crypto wallet offers a user-friendly, secure, and cost-transparent way to manage crypto. With no storage fees, clearly displayed transaction costs, and optional fee reductions, it's ideal for both beginners and experienced traders who want simplicity and control in one wallet.